Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're not on my channel, you're so welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to make Moringa hairspray, benefits for hair growth and strength. Make sure that you watch this video until to the end. To my 189 subscribers, thank you so much dear friends for your love and your support, and to my viewers, I appreciate you guys. So you can check out the video which I did on how you can make Moringa, and I did 3 benefits of Moringa, or 3 uses of Moringa. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So the iron in Moringa has benefits, has been actually linked with hair loss for years, and making iron rich ingredient for healthy hair growth. Iron helps carry oxygen in the blood all the way to the scalp. So zinc in Moringa stimulates hair growth. Zinc is probably the biggest player in this hair game. Low levels of zinc has been, linked to poor hair healthy and even hair loss. So healthy levels of zinc also help damaged hair follicles recover more quickly. Zinc is a key contributor to healthy hair follicles, which are the root of every single hair on your head. So these essential amino acids in Moringa build healthy hair strands. Moringa is packed with amino acids which building blocks of cells. These are handy food that are particularly important in hair growth. Adenine, cysteine, cytosine, methionine, all of which are abundant in Moringa. Many people take amino, acids because of poor on and varied diet. Vitamin C and E in Moringa fight oxidative stress. Vitamin C and E are powerful antioxidants that help fight against damaging free radicals across the body from both inside and outside, causing hair to weaken and even turn gray. Vitamin C can help combat this damage, while vitamin E can help repair the damage that is already done. Moringa is a plant-based source of the fatty acids. Omega-3 aids help thicken hair strands by plumping them up with healthy fats. In one study published by Journal Cosmetics Dermatology, participants who took omega-3 supplement found themselves with a significantly increased hair growth and increased diameter and density in their hair strands. How cool is that? So Moringa is abundant in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential amino acids. It helps to reduce inflammation due to its antioxidants properties, which include vitamin C, vitamin E, selenium found in Brazil nuts, cold water fish, and eggs, flavonoids and phenols common in many fruits and vegetables. So of course, there are many ways on how you can use this Moringa hairspray. You can use it just to refresh your hair. You can use it in your lock method, moisturizing your hair, or in between. This is very, very important. It's going to moisturize your hair, and for you to see improvement, you have to make sure that you are using it consistently. It's not something like you use it once and then you start complaining to say it doesn't work. It takes consistency and some patience. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you check out our next video every day and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you click on the bell so that every time I upload, you'll be notified. You can actually comment in the section below if you have ever tried, making Moringa hairspray. Yes. So at this point, we are going to, use it in our hair. So of course, I'm in a challenge of doing twist. I'll link all the videos in the description box below. So I had just gathered my twist, with a thread, so that it could look presentable. So I'm spraying it regularly throughout my hair strands, and make sure that you are taking care of your healthy as well, in as much as you want to grow your natural hair. So I had promised that while in my twist challenge, I'll be posting videos on different treatments. So if you don't have Moringa, you can actually purchase online or in different shops, or you can plant your own plant. Yes, so it's a plant which is actually to grow, or just plucking the stem, it will grow actually. So I'm just working it in our hair and massage it a bit so that it can, you know, get well infused. So are you going to try this? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.